According to Governor DeSantis, Exclusive Order number 2244, dated September 25, 2020, paragraph 4, the local government is not now prohibited for enforcing fines and or penalties for COVID-19 related mandates. Local governments cannot collect fines and fees on any individuals, including enforcing mask mandates. According to Dr. Moore, this state order does not impact school board-approved school reopening plan. And then multiple times I asked the school board, what is going to happen if child is going to school without a mask? Finally, on October 8th, I received an email from Ms. Berenborg, and she says that she brought this question to Dr. Moore, and Dr. Moore answered that no, students will be punished for not wearing a mask in school. And I want everybody to hear it right now, that no students will be punished for not wearing a mask in school. There is no legal action can be taken against children who came to school without masks. Even school district is still hold a mask mandate, which makes wearing a mask absolutely voluntary decision of every individual parent already. And then me and 844 families who voted for optional masks in schools can simply decide to violate your mandate because prolonged mask usage is not safe and impact our children's health. I appreciate school where my child is enrolled. I respect principal, and of course, I respect very much my son's teacher. And the last thing in my life, I want to argue with them about my parental rights and about mask usage. That's why I'm telling you that in this situation, the school board should issue a document and inform everybody in school that no children will be punished for not wearing a mask. Everyone should know it in schools, right? To avoid misunderstanding between parents and schools and teachers and students, the document should be clear and everybody should be informed. Our children, after 9 weeks, wearing a mask in schools for 7 hours already, and they have medical conditions right now already after 9 weeks of wearing masks all day long, and they can no longer wear masks. Children have their rights and privacy as well, and I kindly ask you to respect it, please. I vote for optional masks in your schools. If you want your child wearing a mask in school, you are welcome, but I don't want mine. Don't push me to play your games. Thank you for attention.
Thank you.
Any questions to me?
No, thank you for being here
I would like to hear the answer for my question. For my statement today, that it should be clear. No punishment for students who is not wearing mask in school. Should be clear. Everybody should be informed. Thank you so much.
Thank you.